challenge or just future training programs, you have 10% discount. So make sure you join. Make sure you join. In 1 minute, we are going to start. In 1 minute. You know, there are those guys who they want to start learning cybersecurity. So this is the opportunity. You just test your skills, what you know. Okay. So just follow the instruction www.kahoot.it, enter the game pin, then we are going to start in 1 minute. Yeah. Don't just watch others, but you have to be the part of them. Yeah. Okay. So in 1 minute. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. Okay, the challenge is started. Okay, 1 answer, we go. 2 answers. Yeah, let's go. Okay. Okay, 4, 5. Here we go. Okay. So speed is everything. Speed and accuracy. Let's go. Oh, okay. I can see Fi and Abdulaziz. Let's go. Okay. Yes, 1 answer. That was fast. Second, third, we go. Okay. Yes. Oh, okay. That's nice. Oh, yeah, I can see everyone got some points. Let's go. Mm-hmm. Yes, 1 answer. Then 4. Oh, okay. That's nice. I can see. Mm-hmm. Oh, comes from nowhere. Now he's on the top. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Mm-hmm. Okay. 4. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Let's see. Hey, Abdurrahim Adam. Okay. She's very interesting. Okay, let's see. Speed is everything, but accuracy is very, very important. Mm-hmm. We go. Mm-hmm. Yes, 5. I can see now the speed. Yeah. Okay. Yes, 7. Oh, 7. Okay. That's nice. Let's see. Let's see the dashboard. Oh, Abdurrahim still on the top. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, we go. Mm-hmm. Speed and accuracy is everything. Okay, that was fast. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, okay. Mm, time is ticking. Okay. Yeah. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, okay. Can. Okay. Yeah. Let me see who is the first. Oh, 15, 14. Okay. Yes. 4 answers. 6. Yes. Yeah, this is easy. Maybe. Oh, okay. Yeah, 5 they got it right. Let's go. Let's see the dashboard. Oh, Aziz. Okay. Yeah, this is very interesting. The dashboard is keep changing. We don't know who will get the first place. Okay, let's go. mm, I see. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That is understandable. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Yeah. 6. Okay. All of you got it right. Dashboard. Dashboard. Okay. Abdulaziz still on the top. Is maintaining. Okay, but reference with just 68 points. Oh, you have to be careful. Let's see. Hey. Okay, that was fast. Only 2 answers. Okay, 3. Okay, 5 answers. Oh, okay. Ooh, yeah, that was. Yeah. Let's see the dashboard. Okay, now can. Hey, I told you we cannot predict the dashboards. Let's go. Speed and accuracy is everything. Okay, one answer. Let me see. Okay, 3 answers, 4, 5. Time is up. Okay. Yeah, 3, they got it right. Okay. Let's see the dashboards. Who? Fear now. Okay. I told you. Okay. Okay. Mhm. Oh, no fast movement. No answer. Okay, we got it. Okay. Okay. Oh, 5 answers. 6. Time is up. Okay. Dashboard. Okay. Fear still on the top. Can Abdulaziz. Okay. Let's go. Mhm. Okay. Yeah, 3 answers. 4, 5, 6. Time's up. Okay. 4, they got it right. Let's see the dashboard. This is where. Hey. Okay. Combs. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Still, you have 12 questions. No issue. Okay. Mm, okay. 2 answers. 4, 5. Let's go. Let's see. Let's see who is going to change the dashboards now. Oh, Fia still on the top. Abdulaziz is now third place. Can second place. Let's go. Okay, let's see. Okay, 5. Is there any changes in the dashboards? Ooh, Fia is still maintaining. Okay. Okay, let's see the dashboard. Is it then I can see, I can see fear is maintaining. Okay. Let's see. One answer. 3 answers. 4, 5, 6. Okay. 7. Oh, okay. Any changes? Okay. This is now third place. Can fear they still maintain? Let's see. Let's see. Mhm. Okay, 6 answers. 7 answers. Let's go. Okay. Is there any changes in our dashboards? Oh, okay. Sophia still maintaining. And the can is coming. Okay. Let's go. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. I can see here he doesn't want to drop. He doesn't want to drop down from that list. Okay. Okay, 6 answers. Oh, okay. 7 answers. They got it right. Any changes? Ooh, okay. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. 5 more questions. Let's see. Let's see who is going to. Okay, that was fast. That was fast. Yeah, 3 answers. 4, 5. Let's go. Yes, 6. Okay. Yeah, that was easy. Okay, I can see 4 more questions. Who is going to lead our scoreboard? That was fast. Okay, 2 answers, 3 answers, 4, 5. Okay, let's go. Any changes? Oh, I can see fear is maintaining. Mm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, 2 answers, 3 answers, 4. Let's go. Okay, let's see if there is any changes in our dashboard. Ooh, okay. I can see. Let's go. Which is the strongest password? Okay, that was fast. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. That was easy. Hey, Abdulaziz, no, third place. Okay, I can see this challenge, how it's going on. And still we have, okay, let's see, let's see. Okay, yeah, that was, okay, let's go, let's go. Let's see the dashboard. Oh, okay. Ah, I can see, I can see. Ah, the final one. If it can make difference. Okay, let's see. Mm, okay, this is the final one. Okay. Oh, sure. Let's see the dashboard. Abdulaziz. Okay. Hola. Khan, second place. And who is this? Who is this one? Sia. Okay. Okay. The fourth place, Abdurrahim, and other place. Okay. So as we can see, that is the end of our challenge. We got Fear, the first place. We got Khan, the second place. And we got Abdul Aziz, the third place. Okay, so as you can see, now we know our winners. Okay, so we are going to consider the rules. If everyone have followed the rules, is going to get the rewards. But all of the participants, what you are going to do now, actually, you have to make sure you register in our Google form. You have to keep your real name. I'm going to share it here. I'm going to share the registration form so that you can fill out, and you can keep your real name and your username that used in this game, so that it can be easy for us actually to prepare your certificates and also to prepare your awards.